Okay, today we're gonna be doing a switch, replacing this switch right here on this 2004 Corvette. I ordered another switch for it. I'm gonna really do both sides. Came with both. There you go, right here, replacement switch. Right. What you have to do is, I guess you put your screwdriver in here. From the other end, yeah, from the other end, and push down on it, and then it should come out. And you can push it in and then push it back down. No, it look like it's come from the front, so you had to go up under, then push this down in there. So we're gonna try it that way. Yeah, let's see how easy this could go. This could be, let's see. Let's see, can we do this? Oh man, I hope I don't push it down in there. Crack it. Let's see when we go through the top. Let's see, can we go through the top? Yeah, that's what it looked like. Look, you can go better from the top. Thing is cracking and breaking up. There we go. Alright, pull it out of here. And here's the wiring for it. Just push down on this clip right here. Pull it out. Put it in the same way. Okay. Let's see. I guess it should go up under that way first. And then just push down. There we go. That's it. Let's see if it's gonna work. Let's say window, auto, that's locked. Yep, it works. We're gonna go do the other side, and it should go on the same way.